You know that sound? That horrible, dreaded drip, drip, drip. Your stomach just drops, right? And your mind immediately goes to one place. Oh no, how much is this going to cost me? It's a moment every single homeowner dreads.
So what do? We grab our phone, and the very first thing we type into Google is something like plumber cost per hour. It just feels like the most logical first step. It's the question on everyone's mind. But what if I told you that focusing on that hourly rate, it's not just the wrong question to ask. It's actually a trap. Yeah, a trap that could end up costing you so much more money and a massive headache you do not need.
So let's break down exactly why that is. We're going to call this section the hourly rate trap. And trust me, understanding this is absolutely key to protecting your home and your bank account.
Think about it like this for a second. You wouldn't shop for a surgeon based on who has the lowest hourly rate, would you? Of course not. Well, plumbing is a highly technical, licensed trade. One tiny mistake with a water or gas line can lead to catastrophic and honestly dangerous damage to your home. This is why their expertise matters infinitely more than just how many minutes they spend on the job.
See, that simple hourly number, it's so deceptive because it hides everything that actually matters. It tells you nothing about the plumber's experience, their skill in diagnosing the real problem, or how efficient they are. And it definitely tells you nothing about the most important number of all, what that final bill is actually going to be.
Okay, let's just look at the raw numbers here in a super common scenario. Let's say the plumber with the cheap $100 an hour rate takes 6 hours. Maybe they're new, maybe they have to run out for parts twice. Your final bill? $600. Now let's take the expert plumber at $250 an hour. They've seen this exact problem 1,000 times before. They get in, fix it perfectly, and are out in 45 minutes. Your total cost? Under $200. So tell me, which one was really the cheaper plumber?
Now let's move away from the hypothetical and look at a real-world example of how this plays out. Let's talk about the very real and often very high cost of choosing cheap.
So let's imagine a homeowner with a small, annoying leak under their kitchen sink. They want to save a few bucks, so they hire a low-cost handyman who gives them a bargain price. Seems smart, right? And for a minute, it looks like a genius move. The dripping is gone, the bill was super low, problem solved. The homeowner is feeling pretty good about themselves, thinking they saved a ton of cash. But that cheap fix was just a Band-Aid. A week later, that faulty repair fails, and it fails in a big way. The slow leak turns into a waterfall inside the walls, and the living room ceiling below just collapses. We're talking thousands upon thousands of dollars in water damage. And just like that, those initial savings completely vanished. In the end, the cheapest choice turned out to be, by far, the most expensive one.
This whole story really brings us to the most fundamental thing you have to understand when you're hiring anyone in a skilled trade: the incredible value of experience.
There's this great old saying in the trades that just captures this idea perfectly. You aren't paying for the 30 minutes of labor it takes to fix the pipe. You're paying for the 20 years of experience that taught that plumber exactly where to bang and what to do in those 30 minutes to solve your problem for good.
So, when you hire a seasoned pro, you're not just paying for a repair. What you're really buying is a correct diagnosis, a permanent solution, and you know what? Most importantly, you're buying the peace of mind that comes with knowing the job was done right, protecting your biggest investment, your home. So, if hourly rates are the bad guy in this story, what's the better way? Well, let's talk about the hero of our story, the upfront pricing solution. The whole idea is beautifully simple. A real professional plumber comes to your house, they diagnose the actual problem, and then they give you a firm total price for the entire repair. You know the exact final cost before you ever agree to have the work done. No guesswork, no watching the clock, no surprises. It's all about transparency. You know, this model is just so much better for you, the homeowner. It completely gets rid of that fear of a bill that just keeps climbing and climbing. And here's the crucial part. It actually rewards the expert. An efficient, skilled plumber isn't punished for being fast. They're rewarded for their skill. This whole system encourages high-quality work, not just slow work. Now, you might see that flat rate price and think, whoa, that seems like a lot. But you gotta remember what's baked into that number. We're talking about business licenses, liability insurance that protects your home if something goes wrong, professional tools and vehicles, ongoing training. These are the non-negotiable costs of doing business safely and correctly, costs that a cheap operator is almost definitely skipping.
Okay, so you get it, you're on board. But how do you actually find and choose a true professional? Let's make this really actionable.
Here's your 5-step checklist. Number 1, see their work. Check out online reviews, ask for photos. 2, meet the actual plumber. Do they seem professional? Can they explain the problem clearly? 3, and this is the big one, ask for an upfront price. If they say they only work by the hour, that's your cue to walk away. 4, verify their license and insurance. This is for your protection. And finally, number 5, ask them about a warranty. A real pro will always stand behind their work.
So, let's end by completely reframing this whole thing. The next time you have a plumbing problem, don't start by asking what it costs per hour. Instead, I want you to ask yourself this question. Are you just trying to buy an hour of someone's time, or are you trying to invest in a permanent, safe solution for your home? The answer to that one question will change everything about how you hire, and it's going to save you a world of trouble down the road.